Hey crafty friends, we're gonna decoupage on this cute little bunny. I got the bunny at the dollar store. I'm putting some top coat on, wetting my paper, and now I'm laying it down over the bunny. I did paint the bunny a bashful pink by Rethunk Junk. It's bashful blush. I'm trimming the paper around the bunny, and we're gonna burn this, but I'm getting most of the paper off. So if you notice, I have not put my top coat on yet. So we're going to trim the paper as close as we can. And then we're going to use a lighter and just let it burn. I'm using a brush to brush off all the soot. And that will give you a nice clean edge right up to the surface. And it gives a little bit of a distressed look because of the burning method. So once we've gone all the way around, now I'll put my top coat back on. Mod Podge, this is actually Tough Top by Rethunk Junk by Laura. So I'm taking some orange burlap. I cut 2 triangles on the fold over so they're still connected at the bottom. Hot glued the side together and I'm stuffing it with plastic bags. Then I'm going to glue the top with some greenery inside. And we're just going to glue it right to the front of the bunny. We're going to put our wire back in, so this can be a door hanger. Actually, I'm using twine, not wire. And then of course we need a cute little bow, and this little bunny is done. Picked the lime color just because it was a little different and it stood out a little bit more. Hot glued those on. Perfect, that one is done. Now we're going to do the same paper on, that's just a piece of scrap wood. This is going to make a cute little spring sign. I got that stencil off of Amazon. Came in a pack with a whole bunch of them. And I'm using peacock feather and a makeup sponge. Peacock feather is Rethunk Junk. Just offloading a little bit, putting it on. Now I'm going to dry that because I don't want it to lay the same way that the stencil is. So I don't want to smear that at all. Now we're going to put the spring, same method. And then we're going to add some greenery, and we've got a cute little sign. Some lamb's ear, cute bow. So 2 projects with the same decoupage paper. This company is no longer around. But once you find a decoupage paper that you like, you can definitely, you can do these same projects with it. So happy crafting.